I'm Troy Hillard, the founder and CEO of the Rite Group Franchise Brands. Today we have 229 franchisees across 4 different franchise brands all over New Zealand. Yeah, originally from Australia, grew up in a very working class blue collar household, spent 6.5 years in the Australian Army, got out, started to get in a little bit of trouble, then just decided to go travelling, and my first stop was New Zealand and I've never left. I think the goal was just to be self-employed and not reliant upon anybody. We started in 2015 with our first franchise brand, Washrite. This business was actually my second business in New Zealand. Prior to this, I used to own a debt collection and repossession business, and my business partner at the time used to own a finance company. We had both sold our businesses and wanted to do something together, and that's where the idea of Washrite came along. We decided we were going to bootstrap it from day one, so we basically both invested $1,000 each. We started the business with $2,000 cash investment. Till this date, that's all the money we've ever put into the business. The first franchise was with Washrite in 2016. That was Tim and Bailey Beale in the Hutt Valley. That went very, very well. They're amazing franchisees, still franchises with Washrite today. So with 200 odd franchisees, there's always something going wrong or going right. Just consistently helping the people that need it and celebrating the people that need it as well. The biggest thing with franchisees is don't expect of them what you expect of yourself. Everyone's different and they do things in different ways. And probably the biggest learning curve for me was just how to deal with different personalities. As I said, we've got over 200 odd franchisees within our business, and that's 200 odd personalities, 200 sets of problems, 200 families, and it's just dealing with all those different dynamics. We very much believe that having the right people in our business is crucial. The right person to us is more important than the right person with the right amount of money. So if finance is a matter, we can resolve that pretty easily. 30% of the inquiries we get need some sort of finance, either to buy the franchise or to buy the equipment or a vehicle. We just pass them over to Tim at Quantum, and he sources the right finance for them, and we onboard them as per normal. So I've known Tim from Quantum for a long time, even before he was at Quantum, and they've just become another, I guess, division of our company. You know, it's literally a phone call or a text, and before I hang up the phone, Tim's in the car park. He literally offices 50 metres down the road and he's here within 3 seconds. Plus, yeah, I classify Tim as a friend, so it's also great to support a friend in business. We want to have 500 total franchisees by the end of 2026, and that will make us one of, if not the largest franchise business in New Zealand. Yeah, definitely. Quantum's an integral part of our franchise onboarding. As finance becomes a little bit harder for people to get around, you know, different home loan requirements, where a lot of people used to be able to draw down on a mortgage to buy a franchise, these days they can't. So obviously Quantum's, you know, crucial to fit that gap we need.